Oh yeah. Alright, she finally won something. Oh yeah, there you go. Hey, at least you won. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Now you got a happy Filipina. See what's going on over here. We gotta go buy some balut for Filipino wife numero dos wants some balut. She requested 3. And I said, I'll bring you 1. She said 2. I said, how about 1.5? So we're negotiating on this balut purchase here. And the question is, how many are you gonna eat? 2? Oh my goodness. With the balut man. How many are you gonna get, Dawn? She wants 3. She wants 3 balut. There's some fish here too. When I get back, I'm supposed to barbecue, but I could just back off and punt and get one of these fish for the ladies. And folks, where I'm standing right now, right here in front of the jeepney terminal, y'all seen it before, but this is where the ladies always come to get the balut from this gentleman right here. And we'll show you the balut later if you've never seen any videos, but that could be up to an 18-day incubated duck egg. I'm not sure how many days it is, I'll have to ask. And we'll find out here. Hey, how many days is this? Is this 18 days? How many days? 17? Okay, so 17 on this. How much we got there, girl? 100 or 200? 100? All right. 100 on the balut. Got the sauce. We ready? All right. So, how many did you get? You got 4, so they're 25 pesos each?
No, I get 5.
Oh, 5, so they're only 20 pesos each. Well, that's even better. All right, let's go. Thank you very much, my friends. Thank you. All right, folks, all kind of action here. Off to the starboard side of the aircraft, about to get in the back of that jeepney. My goodness, what can I do? My goodness. Hey, sweetie girl. Okay, folks, 2 Filipinas are going to demonstrate how to eat balut.
That's for you.
Can you ladies do a good demonstration for all the viewers? This is 17 days balut right here, baby. Now tell everybody what you're putting on there. What do you?
Salt.
A little salt.
Thank you.
And what's in the tubes? What's in the liquid tubes there?
Water. Ano? Sabaw. Unsay sabaw? Vinegar. Hindi ba dito mo? Oh. Ano? Basta soup. Soup of the balot.
Honey, Okay. Soup of the balut.
Yeah.
First you said water.
Yeah, water, no tasting.
Then somebody said vinegar. And then somebody said the
I
soup.
thought this one. She thought this one.
Now, folks, my daughter just ate a piece of chocolate candy. She's not eating the balut. But the ladies are eating the balut. And he said this was 17 days incubated. So, I've seen them 18 days.
Na 18. Big na yan. Siguro.
They're eating balut, man.
Sorry?
They're over here eating balut.
Oh, okay.
Take a look at that balut.
It's gross.
You want a balut?
Thank you.
Are you sure? Okay, buddy. He respectfully declined the balut, folks. Maria, you want balut?
No.
Okay. All right, let's see them ducks. There it is. Now here's the question. Now the actual duck part is called the CCO. Okay. Now men, we eat the whole thing, but ladies, do you eat the CCO? Yes or no?
Mina. She. Oh, sisiu?
Okay, so Famela eats it, Fatima doesn't. She takes it apart and plucks it out. But as a male, you have to eat that whole thing. Female is optional.
Oh, baby chicken.
Yeah, there's baby chickens and the ladies are eating baby ducks. And folks, this is a delicacy here. Everybody eats it at night because it's supposed to have, it's supposed to be a natural aphrodisiac. It gives the ladies power for later on when the lights go out in the... Hey girl. And Fatima says she's eating 3. Now Fatima, just don't put that thing on the barbecue, girl.
What?
Don't put that big lizard on the barbecue grill, okay? I know if we was in the village, you'd be barbecuing that thing. You were looking at little snake earlier.
Old people.
Honey, you were looking at that snake for 10 minutes. You even called Famela out here. And y'all were considering putting that on the grill.
That's what I think, I think that is this snake or what? I'm just asking her. I'm not thinking. I put that in a.
I thought you ladies were putting soy sauce on the snake. Now you're looking at the lizard on the wall.
Is caressing. In the real world, I don't want no one independent woman, but we're living a fantasy, and I'm craving them desperately.